How to modify a booking on Agoda. First of all, open the app on your device and sign into your account. Next, tap on My Trips from the main menu. Here you will see all your upcoming reservations. Select the booking you want to modify. Agoda allows you to change check-in and check-out dates, update the number of guests, or request special services depending on the hotel's policy. Review the options carefully and make the changes you need. Modifying a booking ensures your travel plans remain flexible and convenient. You can adjust your stay according to changing schedules or travel needs. This feature also helps you avoid last-minute surprises and makes managing reservation stress-free. After updating your booking, check if any additional fees or charges apply, then confirm the modifications. Agoda will send the confirmation email with the updated booking details. Always check the hotel's modification policy before making changes to avoid unexpected fees. Now you know how to modify a booking on Agoda. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.